Hello, my name is Carlas Douglas, and this is my learning center, and it is on second grade, and the title is The Four Seasons. First of all, I have my antiques for the Four Seasons. The first activity that we will be doing is the kids will be making a book called All About Seasons, and what they will do here, they will cut the four seasons out, glue them in these spots. This book has many activities. One of them is a leaf rub, so that you'll use a leaf, do a leaf rub, and then complete the other activities that are in the book. The next activity that I have is for small reading groups, and these are leveled readers, and I will already have the kids split into reading groups. And what they'll do as a group, they will read one of these three books, and when they finish, they will answer the questions on the book that they have read. And like I said, these are leveled readers. The next center will be the folder games. In this center I have four different folder games. The first one is called Fall Season Sort. And what students will do, they have the four seasons here, and students will choose a card. For instance, this one is pumpkins, so they'll put if pumpkins is in the fall, winter, spring, or summer. We all know that pumpkins happen in the fall, so they will put it there, and they will continue this game till they have matched all the cards. The next folder game is called Temperature, What's Hot and Cold. And what students will do here, they will pick a card. We can do these as in partners, or they can do these individually. And have a cup of coffee. Is it hot or is it cold? Students will place these in the appropriate places. The next center is called Vocabulary Seasons Match. And this is really good for your ELL learners, because we all know that they need visuals to help them learn. And so what this has, it has the word snowman, and it also has the visual for snowman. And once the ELL learners learn what snowman is, then they'll be able to put it in the appropriate space. For instance, this one goes with winter. Also, we have one for icicles. Then we have the word icicle, so they're able to match the word in the pictures and put these in the appropriate spots. Like I said, this is very, very good for your ELL learners, because we all know that they need visuals. And the last one is Seasonal Changes Game. And we have the four seasons here. What students will do, they will take the card out and read. For instance, this one says the leaves fall to the ground during this season. Get out your rake. So they will match this to the appropriate season. We all know the leaves fall in the fall. And they will continue with the rest of these until they have completed the file folder. The next one is called Our Favorite Season. And this is a math activity. Once the kids come to this season, they will color in their choice for their favorite season. Once every student has done this, we'll do our classroom analysis, which will answer questions like which season had the most, which one has the least, and we can use this graph to answer a variety of math questions. The next one is called The Life Cycle of a Butterfly. And what I'm going to have students do here, this is going to be in the listening center. Students will go to the listening center and they will listen to this story about the life cycle of the butterfly. Once they have completed the story, they will fill in this chart about the life cycle of a butterfly. We all know butterflies come out in the springtime, so they have to put the appropriate words in these boxes, cut out the various stages, and glue them into the appropriate spots. My next center will be my writing center. And what I'm going to do in this center, the kids will be doing various writing activities. On this particular one, they're going to list 4 words about each one of the seasons. And then they would use those one word from each one of those seasons to write 4 sentences. This one is imagine you are a bee in the springtime. Write about your day. Describe your own snowman in the box. Draw your snowman in the box and describe it using these traits. The next one says ice cream is the perfect summertime treat. Create your own ice cream flavor and write about it. We'll also be doing acrostic poems about describing summer, spring, winter, and fall. The next learning center will be kind of like an art center. We will already be talking about the way trees change in the season, 4 seasons. So when students get here, they'll use crayons and they'll draw on the trees, the different ways the trees look in different seasons. And also on this particular one, they're going to be making a picture of themselves in the summer, in the fall, in the spring or winter, drawing different type of clothing they will have on in each one of these seasons, and maybe some activities they will be doing in each one of these seasons. The next activity is called the scavenger hunt. And what kids will do in this center, I have a variety of books about different seasons. And in this particular season, the kids will look through these books. And also, while they're reading the stories, they will be looking for these, if they see any of these things in the book. And that is the one for summer. There's one for winter. There's one for the springtime. And there's also one for fall. And so they're going to be seeing how many of these items they can find in each one of the books. My last center will be my computer center. And what kids can do at this center, they'll be able to come to the computer. And this is one of the websites that I have. It's shepherdsoftware.com, and it's about the seasons. Students can click on various games such as baby animals, garden. They can do matching games, seek and find, and it has all the 4 seasons on it. So that is from shepherdsoftware.com. And also another site that I thought was very, very good was Neo K12. And it is a very good website. And they can do quizzes. They can play games. They can label the season. They have floor chart, vocabulary games, weather turn puzzles. So this is a very, very good website. So this is my Learning Center over 4 seasons. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.